2011 Yukon XL Denali. Here's an absolutely gorgeous black on black, extremely classy Denali, in excellent shape, shows extreme pride of ownership, runs and drives fantastic, and it's just really in excellent condition. We absolutely love these vehicles. We get them in whenever we can, because when you're looking for something in this size, it's hard to duplicate something else on the market. When you need to haul 7 or 8 people and all their stuff, this is the best thing out there to buy. This vehicle is a 2-owner vehicle, last titled at about 45,000 miles, I believe. It does have 162,000 miles now, but it's got a lot of things going for it that show what type of owners it was. A few of those things are under the hood, which I'll show you. It's sitting on Michelin, like new Michelin tires. The body and interior are in excellent shape. Smells great, looks great, runs great. Just everything is way above average, and for the mileage especially, it's clearly been well taken care of. Just going to do a quick walk around video here to give you an idea of exactly what this one is, this specific model, as well as the condition and blemishes that it does have. It's in the fantastic carbon black metallic color. Most Denalis come in just ebony black, which is also a fantastic color. It's just more of a flat gloss black, so it looks great because it's a very glossy, kind of classy color. We actually have another Denali right now in that color, and it looks great. But I like this one a little bit better because it's got the metallic in it and just really pops in the sun. And of course, being black, still looks super classy. It's just got a lot of great colors in it, as you can kind of see. Got a lot of metallic in it. Got a little bit of like a brownish flake sitting, getting the right sun. Right now it looks a lot more black, but just a lot more character to this color than just flat black. Even though that looks great as well, this one just gives it a little extra pop, and you don't see it very often in Denali. So got the fans going here, so it's gonna be a little bit loud. Moving to the front, it's in great shape. Not all bugged out or rock chips. Does have a little bit of chrome peeling off there, but that could be fixed pretty easily. It's just that chrome piece, not uncommon for the mileage, and just being an external body trim piece, those peel pretty quickly and easily. That's about the only thing you can complain about on the front. Once again, this paint just is in fantastic shape. No hail. Overall, just super straight on every panel. No major scratches or dents or dings or PDR or anything like that. So, like I said, sitting on pretty much new Michelins. I mean, I can't say they're brand new, probably 80, 90, 95% of their life left. And being a Michelin, they're 80 to 90,000 mile tires, so you're talking about 60 or 70,000 miles left on the tires here if you keep them rotated and maintained. Beautiful 20-inch Denali chrome wheels really set the look of these. Once again, just excellent tread on them. Looking down the side, just very straight. One little scuff right there that'll buff out. It's in the paint. I mean, it's not in the paint, so it'll buff out. One little ding right there, that would probably buff out. See, some of these things we just need to get in and have done. Hood's in great shape. Jumping onto the driver's side here. Once again, just fantastic shape. One little scuff right there, that'll buff out. Most of these are just scuffs, and being black, they kind of just pop up a lot easier, so most of that should buff out pretty easily. It does have the tow package, as well as the nice Denali chrome tip, which is kind of rare. I really think it looks great with the chrome tip on it. The 6.2 is a fantastic sounding engine. Okay, let's jump on the inside here. Kind of give you an idea of that. It's in great shape. A telltale sign of what kind of owner and traveling this has been is the side saddle. This is just in great shape. No cracks or really creases. One little one right there, but that's not bad. It's not all torn up, it's not all creased, so that tells you that more than likely they just got in and sat in the vehicle the whole time, you know, cruising down the road. They weren't in and out of the vehicle all day long. So probably highway mileage type of idea. Very, very great seats, very well bolstered still and everything like that. Of course, all power locks windows, does have power folding mirrors as well as fold-in mirrors with turn signal, heated and cooled seats, as well as memory, automatic headlights, factory trailer brake. Seats, like I said, are just in great shape. Perforations are nice, just no major cracking, anything like that. Turn the air off here. Close the door. This does have Sirius XM radio, which is still working and subscribed, I guess. So that's kind of nice. Gives you a real great selection of music and tunes and stuff. Being satellite, of course, navigation does come with a backup camera. It's great, like I showed already. Sunroof, power liftgate. This does have cruise, of course, heated steering wheel, a really great feature. Bluetooth. Like I said, 162 on the mileage, about average for the year, being almost 10 years old. Do a quick key cycle. This really runs great. Really runs great. We'll have it serviced and ready to go. Really shouldn't need anything. Dual automatic climate controls. Does show a little bit of wear right here on the armrest. Not uncommon because it's a common resting place for the elbow. See that pretty much in most all of these Denalis and suburban platforms. Rear seats are in great shape, don't show like they've been much wear. A little bit of a scuff right there in the black leather, so that kind of shows up. These are heated rear seats. Does have an aftermarket DVD player, as well as these are, let's see, there we go, power fold down seats, so they fold out of the way when you're ready to get in the back. Third row seat is in good shape as well. Opening up the back. Power liftgate, of course. Plenty of space back here for all of your luggage, all the kids stuff, everything you're taking along, as well as hauling everybody for the trip. So super practical. Plenty of space to do everything you want. Passenger rear seats in good shape. Once again, no major wear, no major creasing or cracking in the leather. Just really fantastic shape for the age and mileage already. Passenger seat, same story. One little, well, that'll just wipe off. Bolster here is in great shape, still well bolstered, a little bit of creasing, but that's just really the fact that it's leather. It shows that pretty quickly. Once again, heated and cooled and power on that side. So this up, we'll go ahead and pop the hood here. So like I was saying, this being Denali, it's got that 6.2 liter V8, fantastic engine, 403 horsepower. Just moves these big vehicles down the road, no problem. Of course, if you're towing, it gives you that confidence as well. Runs and sounds great. But like I was saying, there's a special thing. It's got a sticker right here. It's had a Jasper transmission put in just 15,000 miles ago. So when you see a sticker like that underneath the hood, it just gives you a great vote of confidence, because you know at 147 or 150,000 miles rounding, somebody's going to spend that kind of money on this vehicle, as well as put Michelin tires on it. That tells you what type of owners they were. They were not cheaping out on stuff. They were doing stuff right. Rolling on Michelins and having a $4,000 or $5,000 transmission installed is not cheap. So that's just a great positive thing. The transmission's only got 15,000 miles on it now, so just runs and drives and shifts extremely smooth. excellent vehicle. You're set to go for many, many more miles, and just a super sharp and classy vehicle. If this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with us here at Eagle Care Autos. It's Miles and Brad Beckman. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years. Like I said, we buy and sell a lot of these Suburban Yukon XL platforms. We've got 4 of them right now, as well as a few other similar type vehicles, and just fantastic vehicles because they're very reliable, extremely comfortable. They just about do everything you want them to, and look great, sound great, come well equipped and everything like that. So like I said, if it's of interest, feel free to get in contact with us, whether it's on this one or another one of the vehicles on our lot, or if you're looking for something more specific, we can definitely see what we can do. So we look forward to the opportunity to serve you in whatever needs you may have.